let me just do it.
Oh, hey everyone,
First
this
long
is how
jump
to build a shotgun.
is
Here's a
here.
tutorial how to build a shotgun.
2. You don't have to make up a long
You
jump.
know,
There already is.
if
It's
you
right
want
there.
to, you can
Here
make it
to that
longer.
Oh.
Longer.
Yeah, that
Oh.
branch. That branch. Ow! Yeah, that's impossible. Wait, no, I think I can do it. No, you can't, buddy. Nah!
Wait, what about Black? Black, can you do it?
Guys, I know a real long
They're
jump.
doing
I know a
it,
real
so
long
whoever
jump.
that is. Okay. Okay, so your first steps. First,
I can do the TTT
need
big long jump.
these,
So can I.
2 of them.
That one's really easy. Come on, go up here, guys. Up here.
You need 2 of them.
Come on.
Then you need 2 of these.
Red one. Oh. Alright, Black, what's the second long jump? So go on that.
You need these.
Yeah.
Oh, these are my
So
builds.
it's-
These
oh,
are someone else's.
This one, it's right here. Oh, score! I just
Oh my
made
God,
it.
my
Oh,
this
wait,
branch.
these are next.
It's right here to
You
that
need
bottom branch.
these.
I was the only one who made it so No, purple. No, he fell down and he climbed back up.
Yeah, I climbed back up.
Oh, you have supposed to climb back up. See, I just made it. It's not that long
Need
jump. It's
those.
not that long jump. Really? No, I was going to do this one. So
My
it's
friend
this
was building one. I guess he
platform
did
right
it.
here. This platform.
Oh, not my friend. This random guy.
That branch right
He
there.
was building it and then he
That's
did
not
it.
possible, okay? This one? No. That branch. That one.
That one?
Yeah. Well, you're not doing the real long jumps.
Choose another
Making
one.
up his No, it's this branch. It's this platform to that branch.
To this one? This
Bro,
one
that's
right here?
not a real long jump.
But Black, from there to here?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not possible.
I can do that. It
If
seems
you want,
possible.
but
How much
Can
clan members is in your clan?
now here's
It
this.
could be possible.
Me?
Mine
yeah, that's not
looks way different.
5.
Never mind, it looks.
To this branch?
So yeah, you need
To this
those.
branch?
Sorry, you need to put
Hey,
Yeah,
hey,
it's to
these
that branch.
around.
this one?
Yeah, this. Yeah, that's impossible. I know.
It doesn't look like
Let me
that.
see if I
It looks
can-
like this.
Yeah, that is
This-
impossible. That's
Then
impossible.
you
Yeah, I
need
know.
2 more.
The fire that you can make is right. Right. Let's
And
just
then
do
you
TT.
put it
But only one. Let's just do this one. This one.
this.
This branch.
Yeah, I already what about we join another code where it says infection and then we start tagging people?
Yeah, let's see who can last the longest. Whoever lasts the longest is in the clan. Already? No, I'm gonna pick who's in the clan right now. Oh,
No, no,
wait, no,
we
we want to do
didn't
the
see how it
sudden
runs.
death.
And then like you need
Yeah, you didn't see our race. We're gonna do a
This?
race. Oh,
No, come. Let's after
race?
this, let's see who can last the longest in infection lobby.
so it's this hay bale to that wall.
then
all the
you
way
need
down.
2 of these.
Wait, hold up. I gotta wear my lenses. Hold up. Wait, can I practice first? Can I practice? Sure.
I want to practice too.
And then you need more.
Wait, did you see foot tagging? That's gonna take me a little.
More about
First 3 to
and
make
it comes live. Like you can add
Okay, you
even
mean
more.
first 2? You mean first 2 to make it? First 2 to make it is in the clan. No, let's do first 3. Wait,
How much
we still
members
have to
are
do
in
the
your
tag.
clan? 2. Okay.
Hey, get back. 3, 2,
Kaboom.
1, go. Give you guys a head start.
What? Don't
Oh my
that's
god.
how I build it.
What was that?
Because of this.
Boom. Me and
Kaboom.
purple. Me and purple made it.
No, but
Last
that
one,
guy,
my controller lagged though.
he's actually
Last
good.
one is
He's actually good.
scaling.
Wait,
the
but my controller
small
lagged
tree.
though.
Go.
Wait, hold up, my controller lagged.
Scaling the small tree.
Wait, can we do the race again? My controller lagged.
And how to hold it? You
Okay,
just
done.
lift it up.
Come on, go to that thing.
Not
right
that
there. I'm gonna
easy.
wait here to see who gets here.
And like,
The first two to get here is in the clan, but we have one more challenge after this.
Wait, do I have to go?
Yeah,
Hold
go.
up.
wait for me.
Hey, you didn't say go yet.
Oh, he didn't say go? Yeah, I said to Blue go. Because he was all the way down
You go
here.
right here.
Ready, set, go.
so if you grab it correctly and grab this,
Oh crap,
Put it
no, my
together.
controller keeps disconnecting.
make sure it's on the floor.
I'm done. Bro, why is my controller
And then
disconnecting
go.
like that?
We still
Then,
have like,
boom.
challenge. We still have
I don't
Do
think
it.
it's supposed to run like that. It's the Wait, could we do it one more time? Can we do it one more time?
Yeah.
One more time.
Again, one is arm race.
Wait, just one more time. Just one more time. Just one more time.
My arms.
I'm gonna use two hands.
I'm gonna use two hands this time.
Go. Boom. So,
Yo, but could we do that again? I just want to.
too late.
that's how you make a shotgun.
Put them up like that.
Detail.
See, it's on the ground.
Like,
He's just using his feet to move it.
oh, go.
He's using his teeth.
Go. There goes your tower.
Wait, Black. Could we redo the race?
Oh wow. Yeah,
I'm gonna
my
use two
arms are
hands
pretty
this
long.
time. Can we do the tagging one now?
Tagging.
Tagging
Bro.
and running.
I only used one hand. Okay, I'm in.
Just add a one to the code. Put it on it.
Look, we just infection. Okay. Wait, it's already on infection. I don't want to the code.
They just left. So, what else? And then, go. Boom. Peace out, everyone. I hope you learned how to build shotgun. Bye bye.